In front of me is OPPO A6x, and today I would like to show you how you can change display refresh rate. First of all, go into Settings and scroll to click on Display and Brightness. Then scroll all the way down and click on Screen Refresh Rate. Now you need to tap on one of those options to apply the best one for you: Auto Select, Standard, or High. If you decided to select High, scroll all the way down to tap on App-Specific Refresh Rate. Then tap on any app you want and apply refresh rate for it by tapping on one of those options in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!